Dust peelers use abrasive surfaces to strip away the outer skin of the potato in seconds. Cold water continues.
The thin potato slices fall into a cold water bath to wash away excess starch from the surface. This step is crucial.
The hot chips enter a large rotating drum, where they are tumbled with a fine mist of salt. The rotation ensures that every The perfectly seasoned chips are transported to the weighing station at the top of the packaging area. Multi-head weighers calculate. Nitrogen gas is injected into the bags just before the final seal is made at the top. This displace of oxygen in
The completed pallet is wrapped in several layers of clear stretch film to hold the boxes together. This protective layer Inventory systems track the location of every pallet to manage the shipping schedule efficiently. The warehouse remains
Okay, easy now. Set it down right next to the others. That should do it.
The distribution process connects the factory to thousands of supermarkets and convenience stores. Each bag of chips.
All systems are showing optimal function.
Maintenance complete on the auxiliary sensors. Everything checks out.
Sensors at every stage of the process communicate with a central computer to optimize efficiency.
The slicing blades are changed frequently to maintain the sharpest edge for clean and precise cuts. This attention to detail
flood. A cooling tunnel uses filtered air to bring the temperature of the chips down before packaging. This prevents steam.
The seasoning drums are designed with internal baffles to gently flip the chips without breaking them. This
The bagging machine can process hundreds of units per minute with extreme accuracy and speed. This high
The cardboard for the shipping boxes is sourced from sustainable forests to reduce the environmental footprint.
Check the diagnostics on the robotic arm's gripper pressure.
It's within tolerance, but slightly elevated. I'll flag it for preventative maintenance.
Each batch of potatoes is tracked back to the specific farm where it was grown for full transparency.
The water used in the cleaning and slicing stages is treated and recycled within the facility. This sustains.
How's the dampening on this side?
Much improved. We can talk without shouting now.
The packaging film there is designed with motor barrier and
The weighing heads use vibration to move the chips into small buckets for precise measurements. These buckets dump their...
The air quality in here is amazing now.
It really is. I feel much better at the end of the day.
All right, bring that one right over here. Copy that, supervisor, coming through.
The maritime shipment is confirmed. Route deviation approved for the North Pacific crossing. ETA remains unchanged.
The emergency stop is located here at every station. Use it for the immediate shutdown of machinery if needed.
The factory uses solar panels on its roof to generate a portion of the electricity required for operation.
The loading dock features specialized seals that enclose the back of the truck to keep the environment clean. This prevents pests and dust.
Audio is characterized by the sound of a professional programmed environment. There is a continuous electrical.
The slicing machine can be adjusted in micrometers to produce different styles of chips, like crinkle cut.
Heat exchangers capture waste heat from the fryers to warm the water used in the cleaning stages. This energy
The seasonings are stored in climate-controlled silos to prevent clumping and maintain freshness. Automated augers.
The conveyor belts are made of food-grade materials that are easy to clean and resist bacterial growth.
the factory's lab conducts chemical analysis on the frying oil to check for peroxide values.
The robotic grippers on the palletizing arm are soft-coated to avoid crushing the cardboard boxes. The arm moves. The distribution center uses a first-in, first-out system to ensure the freshest product is shipped.
The intake hopper is equipped with a vibrating grid that filters out stones and large clumps of dirt.
I see the misalignment on joint 4. Rerouting the sequence now.
The refractometer shows this batch is significantly lower in sugar.
And the color on these is perfect, much better yield.
Let's run the texture analysis.
DX. The seasoning drums are tilted at a specific angle to control the residence time of the chips. This ensures that every chip's...
The conveyor system includes spiral elevators to save space and move chips between different levels.
The final pallets are labeled with RFID tags that transmit data to the warehouse management system.
As you can see down there, the robotic arms can package thousands of items per hour. It is quite fast.
The fryers are equipped with automatic fire suppression systems for maximum safety in the kitchen. These systems can detect and
The packaging area is maintained under positive air pressure to keep outside contaminants away.
The seasoning mist is applied using electrostatic nozzles that attract the powder to the chips. This advanced technology
If we send them down Route 5 instead, we cut the ETA by 20 minutes and reduce consumption.
Approved. I'll update the drivers now.
The warehouse uses high-density racking systems to maximize the storage capacity of the building. Automated shuttles move.
The factory's water treatment plant cleans the effluent before it is discharged into the city system.
The robotic arms are programmed with safety sensors that stop their motion if an African-American male supervisor
The frying process is fine-tuned to remove just the right amount of moisture for a perfect snap. The chips must have a
The conveyor belts are equipped with scrapers and brushes to keep them clean during production. This prevents the buildup of salt.
The factory uses a centralized lubrication system to keep all the bearings and gears running smoothly.
The pallet wrapping machine uses a pre-stretch system to get the most out of every roll of film. This reduces plastic.
Perfect placement on the sale sign.
This is definitely eye-catching. The red really stands out.
The factory's quality manual is hundreds of pages long. This commitment to excellence is what makes the brand a favorite.
The peeling waste is processed in an anaerobic digester to produce biogas for the factory's boilers.
The slicer speed is synchronized with the speed of the fryer to maintain a consistent product flow. This
Scan confirms authorized access for Personnel 7 privatization.
Good. Keep the camera on the loading bay for the next 10 minutes.
The seasoning drums are made of polished stainless steel to prevent the spice from sticking to the walls. The smooth surface is easy.
The packaging machines use sensors to detect the presence of a bag before dropping the chips. This prevents.
I have to say, the quality of the meals here is incredible, right?
It makes such a difference coming back from break.
And it's all locally sourced, too.
The warehouse lighting is controlled by motion sensors to save energy when aisles are not in use.
The potato chips are transported in reinforced boxes to protect them from the weight of other products. This ensures.
All right, head count, everyone. Listen for your name. David Lee. Maria Sanchez.
The panel feedback suggests increasing the heat.
Yes, the market trend analysis confirms that. Let's adjust the chili by half a gram.
The shipping pallets are made of durable plastic that can be washed and reused for many years. This move away from wooden. The factory's loading docks are designed to handle both small delivery vans and large semi-trucks. This flexibility.
The potato chips are stacked on the store shelves with the expiration date facing forward. This ensures that customers.
The journey of the potato ends when a consumer opens a bag and enjoys the crispy, flavorful snack.